Okay, we're back now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the machine, right now it thinks the probe is in the spindle, which is T10, and the height offset is tool number 10, and you'll see that both right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to tool number, I think it was 5. Yes, tool 5. I'm going to come down here to the MDI and click on that. And then I'm going to tell it to, I'm going to put a T5 in here and hit enter. And then I'm going to hit cycle start. And you'll see up here, it's changed to T5. Now I've also have to set the offset for tool 5. So I'm going to put H5 here and hit enter, and it's telling me to hit cycle start. So I hit cycle start, and then you'll see it says H5 up there. So offset H5. So right now it says that the tool is 1.7234 above the part, and that looks about right. So let me bring it down to 1.0 right here on the z-axis, and we'll see if that is in fact 1 inch above the part. So let me try that. I'm going to come here to my fancy pendant and set it to the z-axis, and I am going to bring, oops, so I'm changing this here, which also that's that number there, 2635, 12635, it shows the same number here, but let me bring this down to 1.0. Whoop, too far. And bring it down to this. Moving it teeny bit at a time. Okay, 0.9994 is in fact 1 inch, plus or minus, I think, a very small amount. So I should be able to put this 1, 2, 3 block. See how close, see it won't quite fit. So let me bring it up a hair. So I'm going to move this 1 click that way, which brings it to 1.005. It's 1.005 there. And then if I come over here and try to slide the 1 inch, look at that, slides right underneath there. So this is in fact 1 inch above the part. So if I bring that down to 0 instead of 1, then the tool would be touching the top of the part. So very cool. This is really cool. And I'm going to put out a thank you to Swizzy, which is the guy that wrote the program Chips, which allowed me to get my machine so that you could dial these parameters in to the machine and for it to work as well as it does. So that's where we're at. Thank you very much.